You don't need a new product idea. You need to steal one that's already working legally. So right now, I'm going to show you how to find a product that's quietly making someone money, crack the one reason people actually buy it, and turn it into your own product that you could sell for $9,000 a month. Now let's go steal it. So here's the first thing to understand. People do not buy products. They buy results. They buy the after. And people spend money for 6 core reasons: to make money, save time, move toward happiness, move away from pain, or raise their status. These are 6 buying triggers. Every product that actually sells hits at least one. So we're not going to invent anything new. We're going to find a product that's already hitting those triggers and build a better version. Real quick, so you know why you should listen to me, I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, where we help creators, coaches, and online entrepreneurs sell digital products without a website or complicated tech. I have helped thousands of people sell their first digital product, and the ones who win are not more creative than everyone else. They just do not guess. So let me show you exactly how to find one of these special products. Here is one example, and it works for any topic. I'm going to go to Etsy and search ADHD planners. So what I'm looking for, I am looking for products with a lot of reviews and high ratings. You can assume most people don't leave a review. So if there are a lot of reviews, chances are there are also a lot of sales. You can do this also on Amazon. Here's something interesting. If you look at the prices on Amazon and Etsy, they're pretty low. This is not because the promise is weak. It's because they're all crammed onto Etsy and Amazon. They're sitting side by side, undercutting each other. It's a race to the bottom. So I'm not going to join that price war. I'm going to take that same proven promise, make it better, and sell it on my own checkout for $27. No one's going to be sitting next to me to undercut me. And I'm not going to copy anyone's file. I'm going to reverse engineer why it sells. And no, you do not need to buy someone else's product to do this. Everything you need is public and free. You need the title of the product, the price, the photos, and the reviews, especially the reviews. That's where buyers tell you in their own words what they loved and what was missing. I have an AI prompt. You can grab it below, and in it, all you do, you paste in the product's title, its description, and a few of those reviews, and you ask, what is the core promise and which buying triggers does this product hit? And it will tell you that the buyers on this product are really not buying a planner. They are buying the feeling of finally being on top of their life instead of drowning in it. That is 3 triggers. Move away from pain, save time, move toward happiness. Now I know why it sells, but knowing why is only half of it, because now you still have to build your own version of the product. And to be honest, this is where people stall. So I've got a tool for you, and it's free. Inside MiloTree, we built the AI Product Finder. It's built on these exact 6 buying triggers. You tell it what you're good at, who you help, and the product type you want to sell. So in this example, I'm going to say, I help people with ADHD actually follow through and feel in control. My audience is adults who feel overwhelmed and behind, and I want to sell a simple digital download. Look at this. It hands me 3 product ideas optimized to sell. I click the product I want to sell first. It sets it up in MiloTree all for free. And then I can click this button here and get a product roadmap, which is a step-by-step plan to build it with both AI prompts. These get you 80% of the way, and make it yours prompts to personalize it in your own voice. And this gets you the other 20%. Now the math, because I never want you to trust a big number on faith. So as your traffic and email list grow, 30 sales a week is about $3,500 a month. Add a $19 order bump, say a pack of ADHD-friendly routine templates. Guess what? Half your buyers grab it. That is $1,200 more. Same customers, no new traffic. Then you're going to add a $97 workshop, let's say about 15 seats a month, and add a $29 a month membership, so a small accountability community. That clears your $9,000. So are you going to build all of this in a weekend? No, but from one product idea built around proven triggers, you just start piece by piece. Nobody starts at the top. The first product is what I like to call the seed. And MiloTree turns that product into a real checkout in minutes. No website. You select your order bump with a drop-down menu. You select your upsell also with a drop-down menu. This is what a marketplace will not let you do. There you rent the customer, pay the fees. Here you keep the customer and you keep all of those margins. So here's what I'd like you to do. Explore Etsy and Amazon to find products that are already selling. Then download the AI prompt I have to figure out what kind of triggers it's tapping into. Next, use our MiloTree AI Product Finder. It's all free. Answer the 3 questions, see your products, and by the way, drop them in a comment. I'll tell you which one I would sell first. You can also use our product roadmap for free to build your product in an afternoon. Start free with MiloTree, no credit card, and when you're ready to sell, the checkout, the order bump, the upsells, it's all part of our Grow Plan at $25 a month. You're not stuck because you have nothing to sell. You were just guessing what to build. So go find your product and I'll see you in the next video where I show you the top 5 products I'd make today in 2026.